If you would consider selling your home, but you do not want to deal with the time, expense, or disruption of cleaning, repairs, or open houses, I have options most homeowners are not aware of. Hi, my name is Michael Hankerson with the Hankerson Team Luxury Division. In addition to traditional MLS sales, I work with multiple established home builders who are actively looking to purchase properties off market. These builders pay cash, buy homes as is, and allow flexible closing timelines. That means no repairs, no cleaning, no showings, and no preparation. Each builder has different criteria, pricing models, and timelines. Some focus on larger lots, older homes, or established neighborhoods. Not every property is a fit, but when it is, this can be a simple, private alternative to a traditional sale. My role is to evaluate your property, explain all available options, and determine whether a builder purchase makes sense compared to listing publicly. There is no obligation to move forward, and no offers are requested without your written authorization. This is simply about giving you choices, including options most realtors cannot provide. If you have questions or want to explore whether this could be a fit for your property, feel free to call or text me at 602 770 7205. Thanks, and have a great day.